Welcome to your daily digest of the top 10 TV analyst calls. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a buy or sell recommendation. Always consult your financial advisor before investing. Let's dive into today's stocks. Analyst recommends buying Mahindra and Mahindra around 3,200, aiming for 3,300 to 3,350, with a stop loss at 3,140. The stocks hit a solid support level, making it a great value pick in this choppy market. Technicals suggest a bounce back is likely, especially with auto sector catalysts like strong volume data and potential GST cuts. If it drops below 3,140, though, it's time to exit to keep risks in check. Definitely a solid choice for short-term gains.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst sees Aegis Logistics as a buy at 675 to 680, targeting 700 to 710, with a stop at 660. It's showing a nice recovery from support levels, which makes it a compelling short-term play. The charts look promising for a quick upside, but if it falls below 660, the setup's off, so get out. In a market that's been trending down, this stock stands out as a smart, stock-specific pick for traders.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst recommends picking up Bajaj Auto around 86.30 to 86.50, with a target of 9,300 to 9,500 and a stop at 85.50. The stock's showing strong bullish momentum, even with a dip in domestic sales. Exports are up 25%, and August numbers beat expectations. With GST cuts and new launches as tailwinds, it's a great positional buy. Add on dips, but if it breaks 85.50, consider selling to avoid trouble.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst sees Ola Electric climbing to 65 to 68 from 55, with a stop loss at 52. The stock's showing solid volume and price action after its recent rally, with consolidation between 52 and 58. There's breakout potential soon, making it a tactical buy for those who missed the earlier move. The EV sector's got momentum, but if it slips below 52, it's best to exit and reassess.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst recommends buying Torrent Power near 1,200, targeting 1,320, with a stop at 1,150. A double bottom pattern signals a potential reversal after its drop from 1,670. It's a top performer in the power sector, which is showing strength. This makes it a great positional hold for recovery. But if it breaks 1,150, sell to avoid further downside in this volatile market.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst sees Bank of India as a hold, targeting 160 to 165, with a stop at 90. The stock structure is turning bullish, with demand holding at 90. It's a solid pick for a one-year horizon, given the banking sector's resilience. But if it falls below 90, exit to avoid a big drop. In this shaky market, it's a calculated bet for patient investors.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst recommends buying Ashok Leyland, aiming for 145 to 150, with a stop at 115. The stock's correction offers a great entry point, especially with GST cuts boosting commercial vehicles. Its bullish structure and a recent bonus issue add to the appeal. Stay in for the sector tailwinds, but if it breaks 115, sell to cut losses in this volatile market.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst sees Jindal Poly Films as a hold or buy, targeting 720 to 730, with a stop at 600. After a 20% surge, volume-driven strength suggests more upside, though it's nearing resistance. Book some profits now but hold the rest for a potential break past 660. If it drops below 600, exit to stay safe in this unpredictable market.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst recommends holding MobiKwik at 220, targeting 265, with a stop at 218 to 219. It's oversold but showing early recovery signs with a 6 to 7% uptick. If you're stuck at higher levels, hang on for a potential move to 265 and book profits there. Don't add fresh positions yet, and exit below 218 to avoid risks in this volatile market.
Let's move on to the next stock in today's digest.
Analyst sees Apollo Microsystems as a hold, targeting 300, with a stop at 255. It's broken out into record highs after a sharp rise from 180, driven by defense sector strength. Keep trailing your stop loss with every gain, but 255 is the line. If it falls below that, exit to protect profits in this choppy market. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.